What is mathematical modeling? Mathematical modeling is an approach in which you try to understand reality by a kind of a set of symbols or a kind of any kind of methodology that can be translated into a computer or can be analyzed. There are several reasons why people want to model, such as one of the biggest events of model that it brings simplicity. Even if the mathematical model is complex, it's complicated. Nowadays the computer can do analysis, so it's extremely common people to use computer to make simulation, and simulation are impossible if you do not have a mathematical modeling. The mathematical model can be very simple, such as you can design your model based on statistics, such as you study your system for a while and you design some kind of probabilistic function and you make some random simulation, sometimes called this kind of Monte Carlo simulation. Mathematical modeling is basically divided mainly in three steps. In the first step, you understand your system, you study it, you know a lot about it. In the second step, you describe it mathematically, such as with ordinary differential equations, with some kind of algebraic equation. So you have a kind of mathematical model for that. In the third step, you make analysis, you make prediction, you make any kind of trick that would have been possible to do. There are several areas that use mathematical modeling, which create several reasons why you make mathematical modeling. Maybe one example would become for molecular dynamics, which is applied, for example, material science, in biomolecular modeling, in which you will understand systems that happen at high speed in photoseconds. So you cannot see it by naked eyes. You'd have to record it and slow down in order to see what happened. But unfortunately, the technology does not allow us. So in this case, mathematical model is the only option. The type of mathematical model can change considerably from one area to the other, and which approach to use is not very easy. I was inspired to create this project by one of user ResearchGate. I answered the question, but I was not happy with my answer. Then I realized that for us that work with mathematical model, most of the time we take as granted most of the approach, but people does not work. They are let's say they have problem to apply. It's more like when you grow up, when you are a kid and you grow up, you do not see that you are growing up. So after years working with my mathematical modeling, you start to think that what you are doing is very simple, but it's not. So I saw it as an opportunity to have scientific useful. So I try to discuss for simple mathematical models to more advanced one. I try to explain the concept and so on. You are welcome as I build the channel to give me suggestions, to let me know which kind of model would you like to see it here. So if I'm not familiar with that, I will try to make a research. And if you have a mathematical model that you'd like to share, you can work as in partnership. So the idea is to make a space for mathematical model. I'm quite sure that you have in YouTube a huge amount of of videos about that, but I have noticed that YouTube is not a place in general for this kind of in this kind of initiative, this kind of project. So the idea is to make it more to use this opportunity, because YouTube is a place that everyone can access. It's very popular, so that's a kind of idea to try to use it in the, let's say, in the best way.